Hello guys, this is Mohammad Abubakar. Welcome to my YouTube channel HDAMS. Today I am going to show you how to increase C drive size. If you find this video useful, kindly please share, comment, like and subscribe. You can see here my C drive size is 252 GB and D drive 224 GB. Now I will increase the drive size C. Search here computer management. You can see here and run as administrator. Go to disk management. I will show you one thing. Now this D drive is already empty, but I cannot increase the size of C drive. See, for example, if I make it like shrink volume, if I want to make 50 GB 51200, you can see here this one is showing now unlocated, but if I want to increase this C drive, it will not allow me to extend the value. So see here, if you go to D drive, it will allow me to extend. So what I will do now, you have to make sure that D drive is empty. Now it's empty, my D drive, so you have to collect the data to any external hard drive, then you can do this thing. So I will delete completely this D drive, delete value, yes. Now you can see here this all D drive is unlocated. Now you can see here it's disappeared from here because it's now unlocated. Now I will do from C drive, I will increase up to 50 GB. So I will type here select the amount of space in MB. So I will increase only 50 GB 51200. Next, finish. You can see here it's increased 302 GB. You can refresh. Now it's increased. So you can come here and unlocated the D drive size to create new disk drive, then click new value, next, finish. So it's created like D drive, you can see here. So this is the simple step to extend the C drive size. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.